parked here these two. I parked here this. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful model. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here, a police jeep. Let's go.
Oh!
I parked here my first vehicle, police jeep. This is a white, black and red color combination. Next one is here, a tourist bus. Here this tourist bus beside this police jeep. This is yellow, white and black color combination. Another one is here, a military tanker. I parked here this military tanker. This is a green, red and black color combination. Now I will drive this water tanker. I parked here this water tanker. This is realistic model, a red, black and white color combination water tanker. Next one is here, a mixer truck. I parked here this mixer truck. This is also a realistic model, a yellow, black, white color combination. This mixer truck. So friends, one by one already 5 vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And last 2 vehicles here. Now I will drive this ambulance. Parked here this ambulance. This is a pink, white and paste color combination. Last one is here, a animal truck. I also drive this one. So friends, also parked here my last vehicle, animal truck. This is orange, paste and black color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. All are serially parked here. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.